Assalamualaikum students, did you know the term second ionization energy and third ionization energy? Today our topic will be mainly based on Fsc Chemistry second year, page number 6 to page number 7. From page number 6 to page number 7, let's start the topic. First of all, we will define the ionization energy. What is ionization energy? Ionization energy means minimum amount of energy or minimum quantity of energy required to remove the valence electron from its outermost shell in its isolated gaseous state or ground state is called ionization energy. Minimum amount of quantity of energy required to remove the electrons from its outermost shell in its isolated gaseous state from ground state. किसी भी एटम के आखिरी शेल में से इलेक्ट्रॉन को खारिज करने के लिए जितनी एनर्जी चाहिए होती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी. अब अगर हम पहला इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव करेंगे, इफ़ वी रिमूव द फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम द आउटर मोस्ट शेल देन इट विल बी कॉल्ड द फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी. इफ़ वी रिमूव द सेकंड इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम द आउटर मोस्ट शेल देन इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज सेकंड आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी, एंड दैट विल बी द रेयर केस, एंड अनदर रेयर केस विल बी द थर्ड आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी. इफ वी रिमूव द थर्ड वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम इट्स आउटर मोस्ट शेल then it will be called the third ionization energy. Then the example is that if we remove the valence electron from the sodium, then it will be called as first ionization energy, then will be 496 kilojoule per mole. If we remove the first electron from the outermost shell of magnesium atom, then it will be called as first ionization energy, and that will be 738 kilojoule per mole. And then again, if we remove the valence electron from the magnesium ion, then it will be called as second ionization energy, that will be equal to 1451 kilojoule per mole. That not exactly the double but nearly the double. Now we will discuss about the factors on which ionization energy depends. It mainly depends on three factors: nuclear charge, size of atom, and shielding effect. You can easily understand the term nuclear charge, size of atom. Then the difficult term is shielding effect. What is shielding effect? Shielding effect means the repulsion due to electrons in between outermost shell and the nucleus is called shielding effect. The repulsion of electrons in the valence shell due to electrons in between the nucleus and outermost shell is called shielding effect. शील्डिंग इफेक्ट असल में आखिरी शेल में मौजूद इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की रिपल्शन है, जो कि न्यूक्लियस और आखिरी शेल के दरमियान में पाए जाने वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की शील्डिंग की वजह से वजूद में आती है. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द ट्रेंड्स. what is the trend of ionization energy in the group and what is the trend of ionization energy in a period. First of all, if we discuss the trend in a group, if we move from top to bottom in a group, then the ionization energy decreases because of the above factors. First of all, if we move from top to bottom, then the nuclear charge increases because the atomic number increases. If we move from top to bottom, then the size of atom increases, then therefore it is easy to remove the valence electrons. Then if we move from top to bottom, then the shielding effect also increases because the size of atom increases, therefore the shielding effect also increases because the shells are also added in each period. Therefore it is easy to remove the valence electron from cesium than from lithium. Then the variation in period. Now we will discuss about the trend in period. If main heading will be the ionization energy increases from left to right in a period. The reason, what's the reason? The reason is that if we move from left to right, then the nuclear charge increases. Then the nuclear charge increases from left to right. Then the nuclear charge increases. Then the outermost electron will be more approachable to nucleus. Therefore, it is very difficult to remove the valence electron from left to right if we move from left to right because nuclear charge increases. Here there is no shielding effect because you know that if we move from left to right in a period, then there is no extra shell added, therefore there will be no shielding effect. Therefore if we move from left to right in a period, then the shielding effect decreases and the nuclear charge increases. Therefore ionization energy increases from left to right in a period. And the rare case is that the noble gases have the highest ionization energy values because their octet is complete, because their valence shell is near completely filled, because their valence shell is completely filled with electrons. It is very difficult to remove the electrons from noble gases, therefore they have highest ionization energy values. Now that's the main topic of ionization energy. I hope you will understand easily. next topic will be electron affinity. Thank you very much. If you don't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.